a lot to talk about when it comes to this particular counter. Thanks so much for joining us here. Anubhav is, of course, the Chief Strategy Officer at the company. Let's just talk about what has been going on, the various new products in the portfolio. What's the potential as far as the structural shift goes to deploy all of these blocks? That's a big reason we've got you on the channel to talk about.
So the product which you just mentioned, which is a heavy structural tube, that is one of our new product which we are going to launch over the next 6 months to 12 months. So we are already doing structural tubes up to 300 by 300 mm. And we are very soon going to launch 500 mm by 500 mm structural tube. So that product will be ready by first half of next year. And meanwhile, we have started to create market for modular steel construction, which we believe is going to be a big industry going forward. Because today the real estate developers, contractors, architects, engineers, structural consultants, they all wish to finish projects on time, keeping in mind that they save some costs, they ensure the quality of the project, and they also ensure the environment safety, which in today's conventional construction methodology is not being followed. So the modular steel construction also ensures environmental friendly construction, which we believe is going to be the big factor going forward for the construction industry. If I look at the market size of this product, we believe this could be a 500,000 ton industry for us over the next 3 to 4 years.
And how large can this business become? I'm talking about the structural column part, let's say in the next 5 years.
So 500,000 ton by FY25 will contribute around 12 to 15% to our overall sales volume, and revenue-wise it should be around 16-17% to our top line.
Anubhav, the company has also adopted a direct form technology and plug and play technology with respect to steel sections. What are the benefits that can be expected from this type of technology?
So DFT is not a new technology for us. We introduced DFT technology from Italy 4 years ago, right? DFT is being used to even produce our smaller diameter sections, right? And heavy diameter sections are anyways being produced through DFT. So how DFT helps is that it is manufacturing of steel tube on a new technology where you can directly form the square and rectangular sections. Unlike on a conventional basis where you first produce the circular pipes and then you press mold to make them square or rectangular. In DFT, you can directly form square and rectangular sections. So it saves time and it saves costs, which we pass it on to our customers.
Anubhav, just trying to get a sense, based on what we've heard on the pickup in activity, what are your capacity utilization levels? And as a result of, if it is higher, of course, do you anticipate having to spend on capex very soon? What are the plans there?
So capex right now we have capacity of 2.6 million tons, and our annualized run rate is around 1.6, 1.7 million tons. So over the next 2 years, we will utilize this capacity as we ramp up. Over and above, we are coming out with our Raipur greenfield plant with incremental capacity of 1.4 million tons. So we should be 4.0 million ton exit capacity by FY23, and we hope to ramp it up over the next 3 to 4 years. We have already spent half of the capex amount on Raipur. Half of that will be spent in the second half of current financial year and first half of next financial year.
Now, there's an update that the company has applied for new patents. Can you tell us more about that?
So over the last 10 years, we have worked on a lot of innovative products which are replacing conventional construction products like wood, aluminium, and steel angles and channels. Today, we have a portfolio of 16 patents, which we believe should be 19 to 20 in the coming months. So our focus is that we keep on innovating new shapes, new sizes, which are retrofit for the conventional construction products.
How's the overall picture looking when we talk about pricing? Any guidance you can give us on that front?
So the whole focus is to have the capacity of 4.0 million ton, right? And then the endeavor will be to ramp up this capacity in next 3 to 4 years. So we have enough of things on our plate, and we'll try to ramp it up as quickly as possible with the superior profitability, so that our return profile, whether it is ROE or ROC, it keeps on improving from current levels.